Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. We from PBLEF 2323 will present the result of our final project. Next. For the first is Identitai. Project Identitai is PBLEF 2323 and project proponent is Mr. Masani. Project manager is Mr. Nur Cahyono Kushardianto, SSI MT MST. Next there is group Identitai, namely myself is Hadi Rahman Yusran, next Andre, Julie Christiana Waru, Zulkifli, and Nabila Iza Sifana. The next slide is the project as if the project. First is general description, 2 system modeling project, 3 output and achievements, 4 history, 5 constraint, 6 division of job index, 7 implementation, 8 stage plan. Next, general description. General project description. The real-time object and human detection for attendance and safety building is a project that aims to create and employ an attendance system using cameras provided and installed within the scope of the workplace. This software is designed to register employees and automatically record employee attendance. Okay. Next, Andre will explain further.
Alright, for the system modeling, we have here you can use case which contain 2 actors. One is for admin and one is for employee, and one is for the hardware, as you can see. Project outcome achievement. For the project outcome, the project output that will be produced the website for monitoring, recapping and monitoring attendance. The project achievement to date or the creation of website which several main feature, mainly uploading employee data, face detection and attendance, and history. For the history, we have here a logbook which the total project achievement is 85%, as you can see. And for the story, as in previous logbook, we are already at the design stage with slightly entering the implementation stage. For the planning design stage, we have made general description, general overview, and several diagrams to support their project workflow. Next, for the implementation will be told by Nabila.
There are several features on the real-time attendance, and among them features sign in, login, dashboard, employee data, add employee data, attendance and attendance table, and then logout. Next, this is feature the feature login, feature for admin input username and password to access the web, and this is feature dashboard. In the feature dashboard, the initial display who have successfully logged in the website. Next, then this is add employee page. The add employee page feature to add name data, employee ID, and employee face, which will then be entered into dataset for training. And then feature attendance page. Feature attendance feature connected to the camera to employee data on the camera. Next, and then this is implementation of database. There are 3 tables in the database FastRec. Number 1, data table absency, table employee, and the table login. Next, to be present of Kak Ju.
Okay, I will explain constraint. The first is understanding the flow of visual training and using computer. Vision model requires a long time and requires a lot of literature study, and to still need to learn the knowledge about visual training and using computer vision. Okay, next. Okay, the contribution of each member is 1. Hadi Rahman, create a logbook, create communication and meetings with manager, and client. And then Zulkifli make a design wireframe, design UI, design mockup, and helping work on PPT. And then me, Julie Kristiana, make a help create report V1 and revise report V2, and fix V3 report, and make a UAS presentation PPT. And then Andre make determine a functional and non-functional, create activity diagram and use case scenario, making PPT V1, and help revise the report and PPT. The last, Nabila Iza, create FRP and RPP V1, V2, create V1, V2, and V3 report, help the revision PPT, create flow diagram, use case diagram to ERD, create and modeling front end, and create and manage it with website back end. Okay, next. Okay, a stack plan or PBL project, that is the development stage for the employee data upload section. Use direct visual chapter and training many visual database data set, so that detection can be more accurate. Okay, that's all for me. Back to Hani.
Okay, before I close, I want to tell something. For Zulkifli was unable to attend due to a sudden incident, and he was trying to get home. Okay, that's all the presentation from our group, more and less. I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.